All right, we're making the key to this baby. Bobby. Tired, huh? Mm-hmm. Can't exactly get my fingers in there. I can just go come out and out. There's a piece of plastic. If I can get this out. Knew I should have brought my kit on this one. All right. So you have a kit? Not my kid, my kids. Okay. So what these cars do is they don't let you go OBD anymore because they're basically trying to prevent theft, I think. Let me see if I can go from underneath. I got you. Just okay. So yes, your hand is small. I can't believe it. It's amazing. So yeah, put your hand in there, and then any one of those things that you could plug it into, just plug it in. Dang, I gotta bring her with me on these jobs.
It fits, but like I don't know how to plug it in.
So let me see. So when you put your hand in this way, and then you're gonna. This is gonna push up into the thing. Okay. If it doesn't fit this way, then just turn it around and maybe it needs to go this way. But one of those two ways it should fit in.
Like that?
Yeah. Okay. You can kind of see that bar? Mm-hmm. All right, I'll come on the other side. Good?
No, not yet.
Okay. Take your time. Yeah, it's hard to see, huh?
Mm-hmm. Is this to like connect the car?
Yeah. So normally you can go OBD on your car. We can't. We got to plug in through there. So.
It's right there, but.
So there's a little hole from the other side.
Oh.
Are you stuck?
No, it's okay.
Okay. So if you look from the other side, you'll see a little hole, and you can put like a finger through there if that helps you guide it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. There you go, just like that. I'm gonna look from that little hole. You got it, guys. All right, now you get to program the key because you helped us. All right, give her the computer. Okay, flip it or something. Okay, so press yes. Control unit. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna read a PIN code.
This one?
Yep. Come on, we have the key somewhere? That key's perfect. All right, hazards are on, so you can press OK. Okay, so we got a password, 1936. Just press OK. That means we're connected to the keyless system. Okay, now I'm not going to help you. Now you got to figure out yourself. Just going to follow the steps. Good luck.
This one? No.
Yeah, you're good. You're good. Key learning. Just press OK.
Well, yes.
Yes, yep. Yep. That's okay. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold the key in the middle and start pressing the lock and unlock button.
This?
On the key, press the button. There you go. There you go. Keep pressing it. There you go, it's done. you want to do it next thing? No?
No.
Yep.
Erase key?
Nope, we're actually done.
Okay.
You're all done. So now, if you want, you can start your car, honestly. Let's start.
No, because it's like hard. The brake is so hard.
It's what?
It's not working.
The brake?
Yeah.
Press the start button. All right, now you just gotta unplug for us. But actually, I could unplug it because there we go. I broke the clip. It used to have a clip, and it was very hard to like unplug, so I broke it. But yeah, we're all done.
Okay, thank you.
We'll just cut the vacuum key, and we'll be done. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you for your help.
Yo, I'm gonna go get the money.
All right, perfect. Basically, you put it in. Make sure it's all the way in. Put pressure on it. And then you just go each one. If it's bouncing, you don't pick it. You leave it alone. The ones that are stick, you pick. So, bouncing, bouncing, stick, pick. Stick, pick. And that's it, it's picked.
Okay.
Oh, keep that like that. Now I want to read the cuts so we can cut the key. Bookmarks. We're going to fill it, although we don't need to because there is, normally you fill it for the ignition because there's 8 cuts in the ignition if it's a key ignition, but over here there is not. This will just tell us to make sure I read it right. So we go 3, 1, 2, 4, 3, 2. And then that is our cuts. If it gave me an option, then I know I read it right, pretty much.